In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can fix lag on your Android phone. So if you're using your Android phone and it's lagging out a little bit, I've experienced this a bit on my phone. So I'm going to be doing these steps after the video. So the first thing that you want to try is you want to try restarting your phone. So I'm just going to hold down the power button, and then you want to make sure you tap on the restart button to restart your phone. And then if you come back after the restart and then you scroll through your apps and notice that it's working fine, then you have solved the solution. But if it isn't working, then what you want to do is tap on the settings app on your phone, and then you want to tap on the apps option, which is right over here. And then you'll notice if you have a lot of apps, these apps can take up a lot of memory and things like that. So if you notice some apps that take up a lot of space, and the main ones like Instagram, Facebook, YouTube and things like that, they can take up a lot of space. So you can go into one, let's say Facebook for an example, and then go to the battery option. What you can do is you can tap on the force stop button to force stop the app, and you can repeat that process for the apps taking up the most memory and things like that, like Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. If you've tried that and it's still not working, you can start closing out the apps on your phone. So for me, on the bottom left hand corner, I have 3 stripes. If I tap on that, it's going to open this up. All you can do is swipe up on all the apps to close them real quick. So this might take a moment depending on how many apps you have, and just like that, they're closed. You can begin testing again to see if your apps are working fine. If it's still not working, what you want to do is go and update your phone. So tap on the settings app, scroll down until you see software update. Tap on software update, and then you want to tap on download and install. It's going to check for updates. If there's an update available, I recommend that you download the update and install it. So you can see for me, I have an update available. I'll install that after the video. So if you've installed the update and then you come back and it's still not fast and working like it should, then what you can do is you can try factory reset your phone. And as a last resort, you can phone the manufacturer and try and get them to repair it for you, because it could be something that's out of your control that needs someone to fix it for you, like a manufacturer. So those are all these steps. Hope they helped you out with this problem. If this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like on this and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.